Union Biometrica flow cytometers are designed for the analysis and sorting of objects that are too large or too fragile for traditional flow cytometry. Based on basic principles of flow cytometry, optical and fluorescence characteristics are identified for each object, but Copas Fp instruments differ in three key ways. The large bore fluidics can accommodate objects as wide as 10 to 1500 microns. There are 4 Copas Fp platforms. Each flow platform specializes in a subset of this size range. The patented sorting mechanism utilizes an air diverter to dispense a fluid drop containing the object. Operating at lower flow rates and pressures, Copas Fp instruments produce less stress and potentially disruptive shear forces inherent in standard flow cytometers. Gentle handling means that objects remain intact and viable, with their morphology preserved for further experimentation. Objects can be dispensed to a multi-well plate, collection tube, or petri dish configured as a customizable output template. Objects not chosen for collection are sent to a recovery reservoir where they can be retrieved for further processing. Combined, these features make possible the high-speed analysis and gentle sorting of fragile and large objects, such as large cells and cell clusters, small plant models, small organisms, and beads and particles. What's more, there is no need to disrupt cell clusters and their cell-to-cell interactions. Sorting is based on user-selectable criteria, utilizing Union Biometrica's dynamic FlowPilot software for instrument control, data acquisition, and analysis. Define and manipulate multiple independent graphical and statistical displays of acquired data, including multiple regions per plot, custom scaling, and logical gating options. The Profiler option is a unique feature that graphically and numerically traces the optical and fluorescence intensity changes as the object moves through the laser in the flow cell. The result is an optical profile of each object mapping the location and intensity of all 4 optical parameters, including determined values for peak height, peak width, peak count, and relative position. Activation of partial profiling applies the profiling analysis tools to a subsection of the object. Partial profiling can be configured to analyze features exclusive to the head, tail, middle, or end regions of the object. And of course, any or all of profiling criteria can be used as sorting criteria. A 50 ml, 750 ml, or 1.5 liter sample cup can be used to contain your sample, and up to 3 lasers can be configured depending on the fluorophores to be analyzed. Use of Union Biometrica's large particle sampler may be employed to draw sample from a multi-well plate or petri dish and transfer them to the Copas Fp system for acquisition and analysis. The integration feature allows Copas Fp to respond to commands by an outside controller and scheduling software, making it a key component of an automated multi-step workflow process. Please visit us on the web for more information about our products, typical applications, and customer journal publications. For more information, contact sales@unionbio.com.